The skies are heating up since another company, this time ACHR Aviation, recently completed a successful initial flight test for its Midnight aircraft in Abu Dhabi, marking a significant milestone for its planned commercial deployment in the UAE and expansion in the Middle East region. The test flight, conducted at Al Bateen Executive Airport, evaluated the aircraft's vertical takeoff and landing performance in UAE-specific conditions, including high temperatures, humidity, and dust exposure. Senior leadership from the UAE General Civil Aviation Authority, Abu Dhabi Investment Office, Integrated Transport Center, Abu Dhabi Aviation, and Abu Dhabi airports attended the flight test, along with representatives from ACHR's regional partners. According to Adam Goldstein, CEO and founder of ACHR Aviation, this test flight is crucial for preparing the company's commercial deployment in Abu Dhabi and progressing its certification efforts in both the UAE and the US. The successful test flight supports ACHR's Launch Edition commercialization program with Abu Dhabi Aviation, aiming to establish air taxi services in Abu Dhabi. H.E. Badr Al-Alama, Director General of the Abu Dhabi Investment Office, stated that this achievement marks a significant step towards realizing Abu Dhabi's ambition to lead the world in advanced urban air mobility. ACHR will expand its flight testing program for Midnight in the region, gathering additional data to support its certification and commercialization plans in both the UAE and other key markets. The company is also developing infrastructure for an air taxi network through a partnership with GTEx, complementing its broader growth trajectory. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.